Is LinkedIn good for prospecting? That might be something that's on your mind if you're looking to build your business and you want to get new leads and new prospects into your business that you can turn them into clients. LinkedIn is actually really, really good for prospecting. I've got 3 reasons why that I'm going to share with you today that will help add some clarity as to how you should be prospecting on LinkedIn. What's up, everybody? It's Prouty. For the last 23 years, I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs and experts wildly grow their businesses by teaching them how to attract clients from social media, like LinkedIn. These are people who love what they do and they want to get paid beautifully, having an impact on their clients. So I help them do that, but not in a way like you might think. So there are 3 things that I want you to consider when you're prospecting on LinkedIn. And the first is the amount of detail that you can get about your prospects on the platform. We can get more detail about our prospects on LinkedIn than we can just about anywhere else, thanks to our ability to look at their profiles, look at the contents that they create, and look at their entire presence on the platform. Next, your ability to network with people on LinkedIn is better than on any other platform out there. If you spend time going to networking meetings, you might spend an hour of your day or 2 hours of your day meeting with maybe 20 or 30 people. On LinkedIn, we've got about 800 million people that you can be networking with, and you can do a tremendous amount of networking in that same hour that you might spend out at a networking event. So using LinkedIn for very strategic networking is going to be very important. And while you're networking on the platform, the third thing I'd like to share with you is that you have the ability to do some really impactful direct outreach to the people with whom you're networking. And there's no better way to share your message, to share your knowledge, and to share your expertise than through LinkedIn's direct outreach. So I would encourage you to use that. But I want to give you a really important tip about using direct outreach on LinkedIn, and I'll share that with you in just a moment. If you're liking the content that you find here in this video or on my channel, I've created a full LinkedIn training for you. You can go right here to this link, linkedin.proutyclass.com, and you can take that training. I'm delivering it, and you're going to get a ton out of it. So linkedin.proutyclass.com. Prouty's my last name. Class is what you'll be taking. Just go to that URL, type it into a browser, and you'll be able to take that class. I really think you're going to love it. So the tip that I would like to give you on direct outreach on LinkedIn is very simple. When you do direct outreach on LinkedIn, it's going to be to your greatest advantage to research the person that you're reaching out to and personalize your message to them. You know, a lot of times in direct outreach on LinkedIn, we're either slammed with a sales pitch or we're slammed with some generic message that is not personalized. An example of that, I get these all the time, where someone will reach out to me and they'll say, "Hey, I see you're doing great things on LinkedIn." What does that even mean? What nonsense. It's a generic message that they can send to everybody, and these people are just blasting out to as many people as possible. That doesn't work anymore. That's so 2022. It's time to get with the times, and it's time to start researching your prospects and getting personal in your messaging to them. You will find that you have to send fewer messages to fewer people to close more sales and make more money when you personalize your approach. I know it's going to take some work. Buckle up, Buttercup, and do the work, because it's going to work for you. And while everything I've just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing you need right now, which is why I'm going to put a link to another video for you to check out right now that's going to help you even more. And if you click on my face, which you should do right now, you can subscribe to my channel and you'll get alerts whenever I create new content like this. So just click right in the middle of my forehead, see what happens.